Add another add event listener to the global window object. So again, if we inspect, and I may be wrong, but what holds all of these elements of this window is actually the window object. And so we would have to access that window object and interpolate the add event listener. And we would have an event called keyup and extract what captures or whatever the keyboard input is captured from the event keyup by destructuring it with the use of curly braces and with the key property, and add an arrow function, and whatever it captures is that it would depend inside of this callback function of the arrow function. So what is a key up event? So perhaps if you are playing a game, let's say Apex Legends, and if you have a weapon called charge rifle, and if you hold that charge rifle and then release it to fire the charge rifle, the key up event is actually also fired. So it only works if you hold something and then release it. That is when the event key up is working. So anyways, that would be it. Nice.